Part two of this workflow, what we're going to do now is integrate HelloSign with Lever. So we're going to go the other direction now. So when a new signature or when a document is completed in HelloSign, we're going to update a candidate stage in Lever. And the way we're going to do that is go back here to our workload dashboard, and we're going to click Create Workflow. And we're going to give this workflow a title. We're going to call it HelloSign to Lever Part 2. And for trigger, our trigger app is going to be HelloSign. And our trigger event is going to be signature request signed. We're going to choose an account. And HelloSign number 2 is my account. Again, if you haven't connected your HelloSign yet, click on this button here and then enter your API key, which can be found in the My Account Integrations API page. Generate a key and copy the key once it shows up here and paste it into the box. So for me, HelloSign number 2, I'm gonna hit continue. And now what we're doing is we're gonna be looking for recent sample data to look at of people who match completed documents. So here I have this test person. So this is great. It's just going to be used to map fields. So we'll hit continue. And then next, what we're going to need to do, if you noticed here in the trigger step, the response data and signatures all live nested underneath this 0 element, so there's like a sub element here. So that's all fine. That might not make sense, but the problem is that it's a part of an array of data. We need to extract this signer email address field. We need to get this thing to come outside of the array because we're going to use this email address. So we're going to hit continue and we're going to go to tools and array functions. And then we're going to pick off a key from an array. And our source that we're going to use to map is that signatures right here. Yep. And then the property name that we want to extract is signer underscore email underscore address. We'll hit continue and then test and verify. So now we have this new element here called 0 and Brian. Now we're going to search in Lever all of our opportunities. So there's a function called search opportunities. We'll connect our account. Then we're going to use this email field here. And we're going to use the function here from our prior step. And then we're going to hit continue and test and verify. So here we've returned, looks like Steph, there's Draymond. The problem is that we don't have, I don't have anything that's mapped to this email. So I think it's just defaulting by returning everybody. But ideally you have someone who's mapped. So we'll just paste Draymond in there as if it was mapped. Test and verifying. We should now only get Draymond back. Yeah, there we go. So we only got one result back, and that's Draymond. So now we're going to save and close. And then the final step here is back to Lever. And what we're going to do is search for an action that's called stage. Whoops. We're going to search for an action called update opportunity stage. And the opportunity ID is going to come from the previous step here from Draymond. This is his opportunity ID. And his stage ID is going to be updated to, let's see. For us, we'll just say offer. We'll say that's our final stage. You might have something beyond that, and it would say like offer accepted or some other pipeline stage. For this example, I'm just going to use offer here. And I'm going to hit continue, test and verify. Oops, invalid candidate. Okay, this is because once again, if you go to opportunity ID here, you see that it's listed under this element. So we need to extract out opportunity ID yet again. So in order to do that, we could stretch this box down by dragging it. Click on the toolbar and click on unlink. And then we'll add a step in between here. And the step is exactly like what we did before. We're going to choose array functions. We're going to pick off a key from the array. Our source array is data this time. It's above the 0th element. We're going to select data. And the property name we want to pick off is ID. Hit continue. Test and verify. We have our new object now. Save that. Now we're going to reconnect this by just dragging the plus sign from the plus sign to the circle here. So now these steps are reconnected. We'll go back to the setup action. I'm going to delete that form value and I'm going to remap it to this form value. I'm going to hit continue, test and verify. And now there we go. We've updated Draymond stage to offer and save and close. So now that we can see that this is working in the test, we'll just hit click it on, and then that's that. So now every time someone signs your HelloSign document, we'll extract data from that. We'll search for them in Lever. Then we'll extract data from that search, and then we'll update the candidate stage in Lever. And now if we go here to Draymond, we should see that he is in the offer stage. So there, just refreshed, offer 1, and there's Draymond. So thank you. And if you have any questions, you can always just feel free to reach out. Or right here in the chat window, we have a chat box here that you can contact us via support. Thank you.